to the beat. Yeah, yeah. I want balls, let me. I want balls, let me. Yeah. I want balls, let me. I want balls, let me. I want balls.
Hello everybody, so here's on the makeup tutorial. I did one side already, did my eyebrows, okay? I'm using the Afrique by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use Cameroon, and I'm going to use my rose gold signature collection brushes, as you guys know I always use, and my eyes are already primed, okay, as you guys know, and that's basically about that. So we're going in and we're blending. Remember, blending is your friend, okay? It's always going to be your friend. All the time. Okay. All right. So especially when you watching me, I mean, you know, but that's basically about that. But I mean, if you don't want to blend, you know, I mean, you don't gotta blend, but I mean, if you don't want it to look botchy, but you know. All right. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to use the bento, and I'm going to go in there with that. And I basically want to do that just to transition the colors a little bit more, or get this type of, you know, of color. So I usually do that sometimes. So yeah. That's basically about that. I'm sorry, I'm chewing gum and whatnot, but yeah. So anyway, y'all can't hear me, you know. So, but you're just going in, blend, blend to your arms, fall off, blend to your arms, fall off. All right, now I'm gonna take the fluffier brush and I'm going to blend, and blend again. Now we're gonna use Kinky for the brow bone highlight, as you guys can see here, and I'm using my my eyeshadow brush that I've been using forever. One day I thought I lost it, and I was like, where is it? Oh my goodness. And I found it. I was like, okay, whew, because I love this brush. Okay, like, this brush is so bomb, like. But yeah, so, but if I did, you know, if I lost it, you know, I always have another brush, but I want to get more brushes, y'all, believe it or not. All right, so now we're going to speed it up. Blend is your friend, of course. We got to blend, y'all. We got to blend. Say that. We have to blend. I'm like, gots. What's she talking about? But yeah, all right, so we blend in. Okay. All right, now we're going to use the NYX multitasker mix and medium, and we're going to do a soft kind of like fake cut crease, and this is just to, you know, so the other eyeshadow that I will be using, so it won't move around as much. I mean, it will move, but it won't move as much, and I just want to get the kind of get the cut crease kind of look, but not too sharp, but just, you know, have it like, you know, kind of subtle, what have you. So yeah, so I've been using this for a while, so I really do like it a lot. All right, we're going to use Coily, and we're going to take a flat brush and we're going to pat it on. We're not going to, you know, swish it around. We're going to, you know, tap it on there, as you guys can see me doing it there. Okay. Tap, tap, tap. Tappy, tap, tippity, tap. All right, so we're going to go back to the bento, and then we're going to smoke it out right here, because we don't want any harsh lines or harsh areas. So we're just going to smoke it out and bring it in a little bit, just to make it look, you know, nice. If you guys want to do this, and also you have to blend, you know, just to make all the colors cohesively together, because if not, it's going to look botchy and you're going to look crazy. All right, so we're going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish. As you guys can see, I'm dancing because I'm done with the eyes. All right, so that's basically it about that. So I'm not going to talk through this. I probably will come back because I have to finish the rest of my eyes, and so you guys will see the rest of my routine, and that's basically it about that. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be back, y'all, so enjoy the music. Alright, so we're back and we're going to use this color. We're going to smudge out the under eye real quick here, as you guys can see. And this is just to smoke out the eye a little bit more, just being more dramatic. You can skip this part if you like, but you know me, I like to be, you know, do all the dramatics, you know. But anyways, let me stop. But yeah, so I'm taking another brush and smudging it out even more, as you guys can see here. Alright, then I'm going to take the Tortillas mascara, and I'm going to use that for my eyes. And then I'm going to hit that bottom lash and do the same thing on the other side, you guys. And I love this eyeliner. I'm sorry, this mascara. All right. And yeah, so I'm going to finish the rest of my face. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please ask. Then you guys watching. Peace.